except for those who had been granted by the PAGCOR, no, which were given up to December of this year to wind up. And on that note, the list of POGO involved municipalities were given to us, and the list is with our Secretariat of LMP. Your Honor, sir.
Yeah, do you have in Pangasinan alone? Do you have municipalities that are quite involved in having a Pogo hub or whatever it is?
Your Honor, I have to refer to the list which had been given to us because that is based on some facts and evidence. And as personally, mine will just be a conjecture. But based on the list that had been submitted, maybe I can base my answer to your question, Your Honor.
Is there any? I would think that there are Pogo hubs in Pangasinan. Am I right? So if there are, I would like to ask if there is a relationship with Alice Go dyan, yung mga Pogo hubs na yan.
Honor,
That would be the last
You
question,
mentioned-
Congressman Abante,
Yes.
please.
you mentioned the name of Mayor Alice Go of Bamban. Hindi ko po alam kasi like her, I'm also from the farm. But but I'm aware of some reports involving Pangasinan, Your Honor.
Ngayon ko lang nalaman yun, Office ng Barbers. Ikaw po.
If I may,
Go ahead.
I was following your questioning, Congressman Abante. Perhaps maybe we can ask Mayor Batawil if he knows if there is a mayor who is romantically involved with Mayor Alice Go from Pangasinan.
That's a revelation to me, Congressman Barbers. I'd like to find out, is there?
Your Honor, hindi po ako yun. It had been said many times over that subject had been linked to a Pangasinan mayor. Pero hindi po ako yun. Your Honor.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank
So
you.
that will be the last.
Thank
Mr.
you,
Chair,
thank you, Mr.
Mr. Chair, even
Wait,
before,
Wait. That will be the last question. You
Yeah.
want to interject
yeah,
something?
Mr. Chair, I'm just asking, wala na ngayon? Or meron before? Or
Ewan ko. Mamaya na kayo mag-usap.
Congresswoman Janet, why are you interested?
Mr. Chair.
Okay, we need some funny moments, but there's another interjection from Congressman Akop. Sir, you are recognized.
I'll just follow up the question of the Honorable Abante.
Of course, I think that will be a funny moment. Go ahead.
Mayor Batawil.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. You're from Pangasinan, right? The mayor of Lingayen.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you know the mayor of Sual, Pangasinan?
Yes, Your Honor. He is a
Is-
member of our chapter.
Is the rumor true?
Your Honor, like you as a former policeman, I
Mr. Chair, with all due respect to Attorney Harry Roque, I always yield to your legal expertise. However, Attorney Roque, this is one of the occasions when my knowledge in law became gray. So I wish to ask once more for the record. With all due respect, kayo po ba ay abogado ng Lucky South 99?
Hindi po, wala po akong attorney-client relationship sa kahit sino na shareholder or officer ng Lucky Star.
From that
Lucky South.
answer of Attorney Roque, Mr. Chair, I wish to share to the committee the case of Eusebio Sison versus Attorney Lourdes Dumlao. This is AC number 11959, April 28, 2021. If I may quote, a lawyer-client relationship is established when lawyers consistently manifest to a person consulting them that they would provide legal representation or assistance, regardless of the close ties between the parties or the lack of written contract or the non-payment of legal fees. It is very clear, Mr. Chair, that from the definition of a lawyer-client relationship, kahit walang kontrata, kahit walang payment of legal fees, the moment the client starts seeking advice and the lawyer starts giving advice, a client-attorney relationship is created. Can we be enlightened on this, Mr. Chair, from Attorney Roque?
Attorney Roque, you are now recognized.
Mr. Chair, tama po yun. Ang problema, wala pong kahit anong konsulta na nangyari sa panig ko at sa kahit kanino sa panig po ng Lucky South. Kaya miski wala pong bayad, wala pong kontrata, wala rin po kaming komunikasyon. Dahil ang komunikasyon ko po, lahat po yan ay kikasi Ong lamang.
I understand, Mr. Chair, that a statement of Attorney Roque, he was never consulted by Lucky South 99. But he has been repeating a while ago that Cassandra Leong is the representative of Lucky South 99. Is it not that the consultations made by Representative Ong with Attorney Roque, the consultations as well that was made by Lucky South 99 with Attorney Roque, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair, gaya ng aking sinabi po kanina, ang aking attorney-client relationship ay kay Cassandra Ong at kay Whirlwind dahil sila po ay umakto bilang ahente ng